What's up, guys? Bass Presidente here. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, give this video a thumbs up. So today we're gonna troll from the kayak using a crankbait, as you see right here. All right, let's get the line in the water. All right, guys, the lake I'm fishing in, it's only like 5-10 feet deep. So this crankbait, you do not want to put it that far. Just put it back just a little bit like this. Right there. Maybe about 15 feet. That's what you want. All right, and then when you move the kayak, you want to go nice and slow, nice and slow. Nice and easy. And as you see the tip right there, it's giving that vibration movement. That means your lure is operating properly. And it's doing its job. And you want to paddle, look back, paddle, look back. You do not want to go too fast. So, paddle along here, wait for something to bite. As you see, I'm periodically looking back. I don't want to miss anything that may be biting. All right. Just doing what it needs to do. Maybe I'll just pick up speed just a little bit. Maybe give it some more movement. Throw some more line out there too. There we go. Try to make a little adjustment to the line. And you also want to make sure that you're not getting caught in any weeds or any branches down the water, because that won't be fun. Oh, fish on, there we go. There we go. What do we got? Oh, we got a nice bass right here. Nice, nice, nice. Nice bass, nice bass, nice bass. Stay, whoa, 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 whoa. He's barely hooked, barely hooked. Barely hooked, barely hooked, barely hooked. Come here. I gotta be careful because I'm using treble hooks right here on this crankbait. Whoa. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, he's feisty. Get this back down here. I told you we'd catch something. I told you. Yeah, I'm not taking this, using the pliers for this guy. Try not to hook myself right here. All right, unhooked him. There we go. Caught on the troll. I tell you, trolling crankbaits really works really good. So, all right, let's let him go. All right, we just caught that one bass. Now we got the line back out. Let's get some more. And I'm trolling down, back and forth down the middle of the lake. Oh, we're on. Oh. There we go. That's what we want. Now let's start moving. I think we got weeds. Yep, you guessed it. We got weeds on our lure. Maybe next time I shouldn't put out as much line, because it's causing the crankbait to go way deeper. All right. let's reset. There we go. Alright, back to the troll. Fish on! Oh, we got a smaller bass. Smaller. Let off the line a little bit so I have room to work with him. Relax, fella, relax. Let's rod back here. Relax. Okay, good. Oh, easy. Try not to hook myself with the crankbait, but nice little baby bass. All right, let's let him go. All right. Rod set up. Back on the troll we go. All right, fish on. Hooked up again. Staying down there, whatever it is. What do we got? Oh, great. We got a pickerel. Oh, just great. One thing about these pickerel with crankbaits, unhooking them is not fun. So what I do, I like to just let them swim, and tire them out. So pulling my kayak, it's a big one. Both hooks are in them. Nope, nope. Try not to get hooked right here. Now I'm gonna try to handle him. If he calms down just a little bit. I'm getting my pliers, so I don't hook myself. Nope, nope, nope. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, good. One hook is in him. Easy. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that one there. Nice pickerel. All right, let's let you go. Whew. Those things are not fun to unhook, I'll tell you that. Especially with the crankbait. Both hooks getting them. It's really not fun. So that's why I just let them swim and tire them out a little bit. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Caught 3 nice fish, a smaller bass, a good sized bass, and a large pickerel. So, and we used the Abu Garcia Jordan Lee baitcaster combo with a crankbait. This is what we use to troll and catch all those fish. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.